We'll guide you through how to use Claude Yolo Mode, which can really enhance your experience with this AI tool. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and navigate to the Claude AI website. Once you're on the homepage, you need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you should sign up by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Look for the settings icon, usually located at the lower left corner of the page, and click on it. In the settings menu, you'll find an option for modes or preferences. Click on that, and you'll see a list of different modes available. Scroll down until you find YOLO mode. This mode is designed to allow Claude to operate with more creativity and flexibility, which can be great for brainstorming or when you need unique ideas. Click on the toggle switch next to YOLO mode to activate it. Once it's activated, you might notice a brief confirmation message or a change in the interface indicating that YOLO mode is now on. Now, you can go back to the main area of Claude AI and start interacting with it. You'll see that responses may be more varied or creative, which can be particularly useful for creative projects or when you need to think outside the box. Remember to switch off YOLO mode if you want to return to more standard functionality. Simply go back to the settings and toggle the switch off. It's really that simple to boost your creative output with Claude Yolo mode. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.